A tiger at the Bronx who has tested positive for the new coronavirus is what is believed to be the first known infection of an animal in the US or a tiger anywhere, federal officials said the zoo. The 4-year-old Malayan tiger named Nadia and 6 other tigers and lions that have also fallen ill are believed to have been infected by a zoo employee who wasn't yet showing symptoms, the zoo said. The first animals started showing symptoms on March 27th and all are doing well and expected to recover, said the zoo, which has been closed to the public since 16th March amid the surging coronavirus outbreak in New York. The test results stunned zoo officials. I couldn't believe it, Director Jim Brenny said, but he hopes the finding can contribute to the global fighting against the viruses that COVID 19. Kind of knowledge that we get on how it's transmitted, how different species react to it, that knowledge somehow is going to provide a greater best resource for people, he said in an interview. The finding raises new questions about the transmission of the virus in animals. The US Department of Agriculture have confirmed Nadia's test result at its veterinary lab says there are no known cases of the virus in US pets or livestock. There doesn't appear to be at this time any evidence that suggests that the animals can spread the virus to people or that they can be a source of infection to the United States. The coronavirus outbreaks around the world are driven by person to person transmission, experts say. There have been a handful of reports outside the US of pet dogs or cats becoming infected after close contact with contagious people, including a Hong Kong dog that tested positive for low level of the pathogen. Some research have been trying to understand the susceptibility of different animal species to the virus and to determine how it spreads among animals, according to Paris World Organization for Animal Health. In general, the CDC also advises the people to wash their hands after handling animals and do certain things to keep their pets at their homes clean. At the Bronx Zoo, Nadia, her sister Azul, and 2 more tigers and 3 African lions developed dry coughs, and some of the cats exhibited some wheezing and loss of appetite. The sub figured that could be a relatively routine explanation with the camp symptoms, but tested Nadia for coronavirus out of due diligence and an abundance of caution. The 7 sickened cats live in 2 areas at the zoo, and the animals had contact with the same worker who is doing okay, zoo officials said. They said there are no signs of illness in other big cats on the property. Staffs who work with the cats will now wear infection protection garb as primate keepers had done for years because of the animals' close genetic ties to human beings.